Hello, dear student. How are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So, as you can see, we are studying Unit 2nd, the Narayanpur incident. Okay, in the previous video, we have done till paragraph 9, and today we are to continue from paragraph 10. Okay, so as I have told you that Mohan has participated in the procession of the college students. Okay, and Manju and Babu had gone to see the procession. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so let's see paragraph 10. Now the leaders of the procession had reached the barracks gates. Okay, so as you can see in the picture, these all are the students who were taking out procession from the college gate to the collector's office. Okay, and when Manju and Babu noticed Mohan holding the peak of Mahatma Gandhi, okay, they became happy to see his brothers. Okay, now see, now the leaders of the procession had reached the barricade gates. Okay, we know that in every procession we have some leaders who lead the team. So the main leaders of the procession, okay, had come, okay, to the collector's office. They reached the barricade gates. Is it clear? Now see, a police officer, he was the DSP, okay, Mohan told them later, came up to them. Okay, when the leaders reached at the collector's office, okay, then a police officer who was the DSP. What is the meaning of DSP? So student, DSP is a rank in the police force of India. Okay, and what is the full form of DSP? So Deputy Superintendent of Police. We called it a Deputy Superintendent of Police. So a policeman, a police officer who was the DSP, okay, he came to the leaders. There was some conversation between him and the students. When the DSP came to the leaders, then the DSP and the students who were leading the procession, they have some conversation. Okay, the students seem to be arguing, and the narrator tells us that it seems that the students were talking to him something, they were arguing on some matter. Then one of them handed him a piece of paper. After that, the narrator tells us that one of the student handed over a piece of paper to the DSP. Okay, he took it without glancing at it and nodded. And the DSP, okay, took the piece of paper, and even he did not glance. Glance means to watch. What is the meaning of glance? Glance. Glance. Glance means to watch, to notice. When the student handed over the piece of paper to the DSP just took the paper and he did not even see that piece of paper and nodded. Okay, okay, okay. The students turned their backs to him, and one of them shouted Mahatma Gandhi ki jai. After handing over the piece of paper to the DSP, the leaders turned back, and one of them shouted loudly Mahatma Gandhi ki jai. Okay, now see paragraph 12. Jai, the other shouted back loudly. When the other members of the procession hear the Mahatma Gandhi ki jai, they also loudly replied jai. And then they briskly, what is the meaning of briskly? Briskly. Briskly means hurriedly, in a hurry. We can say in a hurry, hurriedly. Okay, in a hurry. So, and then they briskly marched back the way they had come. And after that, when they handed over the piece of paper to the DSP, they all returned back, they all moved the way they had come to. Okay, they returned from there. Is that clear? Okay. Now see the further paragraph 13. Is that all? Asked Manju in disappointment. When the processors returned from there, from the collector's office, then Manju asked disappointmently, is that over? Is that everything over? She was surprised, okay, because she thinks that she will feel some excitement, but they handed over the paper and they returned back. What else did you want? A dance? A drama? Babu asked scornfully. Scornfully means in a anger. Okay, scornfully means in anger. So Babu angrily replied Manju that what else you want? You want to see dance and drama? Okay. But he understood her feeling and asked Mohan the same question when he returned home. Okay. But Babu understood the feelings of Manju, and that is why when Mohan returned home, Babu asked the same question to Mohan. Okay. Why did you go back so quietly? Were you scared of what the police would do? Babu asked Mohan why did they return back so quietly? Okay. Were whether they were scared of the police. Is it clear or not? Okay, students. Babu asked Mohan why they returned so quietly. They did not talk anything. Just they handed over the paper and returned from there. And he further asked Mohan whether they were afraid of the policeman or not. Due to the due to the fear of the police, they returned there peacefully, quietly. Okay, these questions he asked to Mohan. Now see paragraph 15. Mohan seemed immensely pleased with himself, scared. We had planned it this way. Okay, then Mohan replied Manju and Babu that they were not a little bit scared. Okay, he tells him that they were not a little bit scared from the policeman. He further tells him that they had planned it in this way. They had planned that they will not follow non-violence. Okay, they will not follow non-violence. Just they will perform the procession very peacefully and quietly. Okay, now see further. We knew they expected us to protest and be violent. Mohan tells Babu and Manju that they knew that the policemen, okay, expected from them to protest and to be violent. Is it clear? Oh yes, they wanted us to do that so that they could beat us up, haul us away to jail. And Mohan further tells that the policemen were wanted. He tells him that they wanted that they do something mischievous. They became violent and they got a chance to beat us, and after that they will throw them into the jail. So that is why it was the plan, okay, that they will perform the procession in peacefully and non-violently. Okay, what was the point then? Babu asked while Manju listened careful earnestly. After that, Babu again asked Mohan, then what is the benefit, what is the point about that procession, while Manju was listening them carefully. Okay, now see paragraph 17. It's like a declaration of war. We told them, now this is war, and for us, you are the enemy. Mohan replied that just they want to warn them. Okay, Mohan tells Babu and Manju just through this procession they wanted to warn them that it is the declaration, it is the beginning of war. If they did not quit India, then they will have to face the consequences. Is it clear? Mohan tells them that through this procession they wanted to tell the British government that now the war has begun and you are the enemy. Is that clear? Okay. Now see paragraph 18. And what was the paper you gave the policeman? Again Babu asked Mohan what was the paper that the leaders of the procession has given to the policeman. Okay. Then Mohan replied, that was a notice we served on the collector as a representative of His Majesty government, asking them to quit India or face the consequences. So Mohan replied that it was a type of notice that they had served on the collector as the representative of the British government. Okay, he tells them that they had given a warning notice to the policeman, and that policeman was the representative of the British government. Okay, he will okay he will show the that declaration of the notice, that declaration of the procession to the king, to the British government. Okay, asking them to quit India or face the consequences. And he tells him that through that lesson, through that piece of paper, through that notice, they want the British government to leave India forever. Otherwise, they will have to face the its result, its consequences. Is that clear? Okay, students. So I hope you have got these all points very well. So till then, watch the video and enjoy. We will continue from paragraph 20 in the next video.